Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Monday afternoon, and this weekend we didn't do a What's Sold on Saturday. There's kind of been a little bit of a crud going around our house. Kathy's voice is kind of gone, so I'm going to try to do a lot of the talking. Nothing to worry about. We're all doing fine. But we had a slower weekend of sales. We actually didn't put anything out on Saturday. Which, I don't know, we were kind of talking, we might do that from now on. We're still talking about that, not doing any shipping on Saturday and just doing that on the following Monday. But we're going to go ahead and try to get through this. I don't think we had a whole lot of sales this weekend, which wasn't a bad thing considering we've kind of haven't been feeling too well, but let's pull out what's sold. I think we had a few viewer sales and stuff too. So do you want to talk or do you want me to talk?
I'll try.
All right.
I mean, we still had like 20 sales. It's just, that's slower than usual, I guess. Especially considering we did not ship Saturday morning.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll start with Kitizen. Just one Kitizen sale this weekend. So this is, I think it's eider or something like that. It's just like a knit vest. It was wool. That's the only reason I grabbed it, and it was $2.50. Sold it on Kitizen for $25 free ship. It's just under a pound, so it's gonna ship out for $6.15. All right, and then a few Mercari sales. BB, where's Reese?
I don't know. He's. Oh, I hear him coming.
All right, what do we got in here? Crocs. So these are the shoes I've been cleaning.
Yeah, we've still been doing some work. Actually, spent the weekend doing taxes, which that's my job, and we always put it off to the last minute, and we're gonna try to not do that next time. But we said that last year too.
So these are just some Crocs flip-flops. I have $7.99 into them. I sold them on Mercari for $21 plus ship. That was an offer I accepted. Hey, Reese.
You came up. How you doing, buddy?
He heard us rolling the camera.
Yeah, he heard you in his spot.
One is in a minute, but these are some logo Lori Goldstein like camo capri pants. They are a size 3X. That's mainly why I grabbed them. I'm trying not to pick up like crop pants, but logo has done well for me, and then the size and camo is always good.
Yeah.
So I paid $3.50 for these, sold them for $26 plus shipping. And then that was also in the same box. I actually just listed these this morning, and I thought I was overpricing them, but they sold for my full list price, which was $30 plus shipping. They're just some Nike like sweat shorts, and they have a stain on them, but they still sold for $30 plus ship, and I paid $3.99 for those. So
same day too, huh?
Yeah.
Is that what you said? Wow.
I had them listed on eBay actually for $20 plus ship because the comps on eBay were not good. So glad whoever grabbed them on Mercari.
Yeah. One benefit of cross-listing,
Yeah,
there are things.
Mercari, logo always seems to sell on Mercari for me. Like every time I sell it, it's really fast on Mercari. All right, so that was it for Mercari though. Then we had some eBay sales, so box I. So this is a Johnny West top. Sadly, it's not profit because I bought this for myself and I was going to wear it for Mother's Day, but it was just way too big on me, so I relisted it. I bought it off Mercari for $76. That was with tax and shipping and everything. And I listed it for $100, and then I set an offer of $89.95 plus shipping. So basically just getting my $76 back after all the fees. All right, and then X. I'm glad that shirt sold on eBay though, because I kept getting like $50 offers for it on Poshmark, and so I just deleted it because I was like, I just don't like when people keep offering it and then you're countering like,
Yeah.
I was countering it like in the $90 range because I needed to make at least most of my money back. Maybe I would be okay with losing maybe $10, but yeah. So
Yep. That happens. If you're a reseller, you know, there's always those weird items that you get tons of messages about, and it just becomes
buy it if
a
you
problem.
want it.
Yeah.
I mean, it was new at tag with $150 retail, so I was feeling like even $100, that's a good deal for like new. Anyways, this is a genuine kids tank top. This was just my son's. It has a couple stains on it, so I listed it low, $5.30 plus shipping, and that's what it sold for. I think I had like $7 into it, so making some of my money back. And then CV.
Up here.
These are just some Duluth Trading Co. Like a chino pant, a cargo pant.
Cargo pant?
Gray pants, yeah. So these I picked up at Goodwill for $7.99. I just kind of wanted to try out the brand because everyone says it's great. And yeah, it sold really fast. Not for a ton. I knew it. I mean, they're just pants. So I knew that they weren't going to go for a ton. But I got $25.33 plus shipping in maybe less than a week. So I'm happy with that. If I could double my money or even make $10-15 off something that quickly.
Yeah.
It's good enough for me. I did want to mention for Duluth. So I know it's a viewer because they said this, but I don't remember your name. I'm sorry. Somebody messaged me on Poshmark about, I don't know if it was those or the jeans for Duluth Trading Company, and she told me if you put the word trading in your title on Poshmark, it like doesn't show up in the search. I think because Poshmark is assuming you're trying to trade.
Right. One of those bad keywords.
Yeah. So thank you for.
But that wasn't the buyer, right? That was just a hot tip that you got from a viewer.
Yeah, I think she was just looking in my closet and
noticed that
so
she couldn't find it or something.
Yeah, so thank you so much for that tip, and I wanted to share it with you guys because what's the point of posting it if it's not going to show up in search?
Exactly.
So, yeah. Anyways, glad those sold out on eBay though.
Yeah, and thanks for the tip. Sorry we forgot your name, but
yeah, I switched all my other ones to not include it in the title. All right. And then AI. This is that Patagonia fleece I grabbed at the JBF sale here in town. I have $4.11 into it. I sold it for $26.66 plus shipping. If you remember our haul video from this, it had some stains on it, so I washed it. I did some stain treatment, and they all came out, so glad I picked it up. Did I say how much I sold it for? $26.66? Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. That sounds familiar.
All right. And then AP. Alright, these are some Skechers like flats. I've actually had these ones for a while. I think like since last summer. I don't know what took so long to sell. But because of that, I sent a pretty low offer, $14.99 plus shipping. I had $3.99 into them, so still making some profit, but yeah, took a little bit longer than most of my other Skechers do. Alright, and then BH. Alright, so this is a pair of men's Carhartt jeans and a large size, I think it was 44 34s. So I did pay up for these, $9.99 at Goodwill. I've been finding a lot of Carhartt lately, and it's a fast seller. So again, even if it doesn't make a huge profit, I know it's gonna sell. The sell-through rate's pretty much like 100%.
Yeah.
So I'm okay just making $10. Anyways, I just listed these a few days ago, and I sold them for $25.33 plus shipping. So yeah, $10,
and
$12
that wasn't the fire-resistant ones, right?
Those ones are not, no.
Which, oddly enough, the fire-resistant ones do not do as well as the normal jeans. We would have thought the exact opposite.
Yeah,
but
they do retail a lot more. I looked them up. They retail for like $80. The regular jeans only retail for like $50 or $60, I think. So
it's weird.
I don't know.
But fun fact,
see how
I guess.
they sell. Yeah. All right, and then BK. I was excited about this sale. These were those Loa shoes from the bins from the stimulus check.
Right.
So they were the ones I mentioned that I was like most excited to find there when they rolled out the shoes, and I saw them from far away, and I was like, I'm never gonna get them.
Yeah.
I got them. And everyone else was grabbing all the Nikes and normal stuff, and I was like, score. So I listed them just yesterday, and they sold yesterday, or this morning. So I got $59.95 plus shipping.
Very nice.
So yeah, really happy with that. Which tells me I probably could have got more, but I'm okay with that. I had about $1.50 or so.
Just goes to show you, like, no matter where you go, there's always going to be people looking for things that you're not looking for. So don't be afraid, like, oh, I'm never going to find something. Everybody else has already found it. You're going to source something different than everybody else in the store. Obviously, there's going to be some people that are looking for the same thing, but not everybody looks for the same thing.
No, just Chris mentioned in the beginning, or in our last video, that I was up with Amber and Greg at the Denver bins, and Amber kept handing me stuff because, well, she first had to fly home, so she couldn't fit it all, but just that we're not necessarily looking for the same thing. She seems to really like jeans and stuff, and I'm like anything that makes money. So, yeah. It was kind of a fun experience. I've never actually thrifted with anyone.
With other resellers, right?
Yeah, just you, pretty much.
I'm not a reseller.
No, I'm saying that's why I've never.
I always look for stuff for myself when we go thrifting.
All right, so these are Facebook sales now. These are just some Woody Vans. I got these from ThredUp a while back for $18. Sold them on Facebook for $40 plus shipping. AI. This is just one of my son's Ralph Lauren button downs. I sold it for $10 plus ship on Facebook. I think I bought it for $15 though, so probably making about $9 back out of that. Block C. Yeah, last night, because we were a little bit behind on our listings last week, I was just sitting in bed doing some cross-posting and stuff. So I listed these Oakley board shorts on Facebook. They pretty much sold like right away. I listed them for $15 plus ship just because they have a small stain on them. Normally I can get $20 to $25 plus shipping. But yeah, I had $3 into them, so $15 plus ship was good enough for me. All right, and then, oh shoot, I missed an eBay sale. I came in here to get these keys, so I'll do that in a minute.
And you saw another sale that's in there?
I must have not been going in order. Oh, it's because I didn't have a location written on here. Okay, so these are the keys that sold. I posted these to Facebook last night for $30 plus ship, and they sold pretty much right away as well. So yeah, these came from the bins as well, so about $1.15 to $30. Yeah, this was the other eBay sale, which actually went to a viewer, so glad I did not forget to mention this. This is going out to Cassie. Her husband purchased that Columbia fishing vest from us.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So she said it's time for her to treat herself now.
There you go.
Yep, she grabbed this Matilda Jane pillowcase. It sold like right after I listed it. I was like, wow. And then she sent me the message. So Cassie, thank you so much. I hope you love it. It's so soft. I thought about keeping it for myself.
Yeah, thank you so much for all the support, Cassie.
Yeah. So she grabbed that for $14.95 plus ship. That came from that estate sale, so my average cost of goods was $276 that day. All right, so that was it for eBay for sure now, and then that was it for Facebook, and then we had a few Poshmark sales. CE.
We just found another spot.
I don't know that I've ever been more happy to see something sell for $5. This is a cabbie shirt, like a very old cabbie shirt. It's one of the first items I ever put in my Poshmark closet. I have 84 cents into it, and it just never sold. That was back when I kept hearing people talk about brands, but not necessarily understanding style and,
Yeah.
I mean, just like old tag, new tag type stuff. So, yeah. Finally got an offer for $5, and I couldn't hit accept fast enough. So if you know Poshmark, that means they take $2.95 out of the $5, so that leaves me with $2.05, and I paid 84 cents for the shirt. So you can do the math. That's the best dollar I've ever made in my life. So, all right, and then another viewer sale. I was gonna skip doing a video today, but you guys gave me so many
so
sales.
much support.
I wanted to thank you. So these are going out to Viviana, who's purchased from us several times. So she grabbed these Crocs. She offered me $25, and I was happy to accept. I got these in our Nebraska trip for $8 at their Style Encore. So Viviana, thank you so much.
Viviana, thank you so much. Hope your reselling business is still doing really well.
Yep. All right, and then AT. Where are we at?
Right in front of you.
And then I sold the Good American short. I just accepted a $65 offer. I still was wanting more, but this was another one of those situations where, like, getting messages on Mercari, I'm getting messages on eBay, and so I just took the $65. I have $4.54 into them, so yeah, I'm happy with that.
I was hoping for more, but
yeah, I mean, I definitely think I could have got closer to the $80 mark if I would have held out, but
yeah.
When you have $4 into it, it's hard to hold out.
It's so hard. You're like, no, I don't want to make $50 today.
Yeah.
It's That's it?
That's it for the weekend.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got all that packed up, good to go, and we forgot to pull one item. So
Yeah, so like today when I printed my labels, I was just, I don't know, I'm always trying to do something different, see if it could save time, and I did kind of like how we did it. So I was just writing what I sold on the back of each label instead of, you know, normally I'll print them as
a big roll of labels, yeah.
Yeah, so every day when I ship, I like take it from our listed inventory to our sold, and we pretty much bookkeep every single day.
Yeah.
And then as I'm doing that, I print the labels, but usually I just let them print out as one long thing. So today I was just pulling them off at each, writing on the back so we can just do one at a time easily without kind of going back and forth.
Which case we have to reference the name versus now you just write the thing on the back so we know what the item is.
Now I'll also write on the back the box number just in case this happens again where
idea.
I forgot to, yeah.
So she threw her sticky away and we don't know what box it was in, so we had to dig through the trash.
Yeah.
She had to dig through the trash.
So it was in CK. It's just these pair of Wrangler jeans they sold on Facebook for 20 plus shipping. These are heavy jeans and I only use Facebook labels on Facebook. Like I don't offer free shipping, or even though I know I could have probably put these in a padded flat rate myself for like under $8, I still just charge the buyer the rate, and the 2 to 5 pound rate is $12. So they paid $20 plus $12 for shipping. I have $3 into the jeans, so.
All right. So that's that.
Thumbs up, yeah, and then
Oh, did you want to talk about that?
might as well.
No.
So yeah, I did kind of calculate everything up for last week. So yeah, we were only at 51 items, new items listed for 1911. But you know, we were like ahead on this week a lot, so you know.
Averages out.
Yeah, and then yesterday, even though we weren't feeling we're feeling fine. It's just my voice.
Yeah.
Is fine. We were home anyways, so I was just listing. So I did 17 yesterday, and then, yeah, 5 today so far. But I plan to do more this evening. So.
Yeah. We should have a good week ahead. A good week of work, at least. I'm exhausted from just dealing with taxes for the past, I think I worked on them 2 days straight. That's why we've haven't put up any videos. The video that I was going to put up earlier where I was the one doing the what sold, our last video, that's going up today. Hasn't even gone up yet as of right now in our time. Yeah, we're getting back to it, and I'm excited for what this week is going to bring. We do have, with taxes out of the way, no longer have to think about it. Now we got a garage sale this weekend.
Oh yeah, that's another reason we didn't do as much last week, is because I wasn't going hard finding garage sale stuff, but I was just going through each room of our house, pulling stuff out. Also, that leads you to like spring cleaning, and then you're like,
yeah, you go down the rabbit hole for sure.
So yeah, I've been doing a lot of that, plus like 10 loads of laundry this weekend. So I'm the kind of person that does laundry once there's no more laundry left to wear, instead of just doing a load a day and keeping up with it. So yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we've been doing. And Kathy, like we mentioned, she did go sourcing with Greg and Amber up in the Denver Bins. We are going to do a haul on that. Yeah, we're probably going to wait until her voice comes back, so it might be a few days. And then we did some garage sales this weekend. Or Saturday, maybe it was Friday.
Yeah, I was just gonna show what we got in with the haul, because
we're gonna do that in the same video.
Just because it was like 10 things, maybe like.
I guess it wasn't Friday because you were up in Denver Friday, so it must have been
Saturday morning. Yeah. When did I lose my voice? Like yesterday.
I think we started.
Or like Saturday night.
Saturday night.
Yeah, so.
Probably overwork.
We'll show you.
And underpaid. I don't know.
We'll show you what we got from garage sales, which wasn't much at all. It's sad because we went to a lot.
Garage sales did not turn out very well for us this weekend, but we found a little bit of stuff, so we'll just put that in with the haul video from the Denver Bins. So that's going to do it for this What Sold video. Thank you so much for all your support and all the viewer purchases. You guys are awesome. We thank you and appreciate you so much. And all our new viewers and subscribers, we appreciate all you guys so much. That's going to do it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.